In this video, I'll show you how to import your W-2 into TurboTax. Once you are on your TurboTax account, in order for you to import your W-2, simply head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, you want to head over to the second option, which is below bookmarks, which is Tax Tools. Below Tax Tools, click on Tools. From here, you want to choose the first option, which is Topic Search. And on the search bar, simply type W-and 2. Once you do that, at the bottom, it will automatically highlight W-2. Simply click on it, and at the bottom, click on Go. That will automatically take you to the W-2 section. And to enter your W-2, at the top, click on the first option, which is Work on My W-2. At the bottom and the right corner, click on Continue. Once you do that in here, you need to enter the employer ID from your W-2. So from here, I will just simply add the employer ID. At the bottom and the right corner, click on Continue. Now in here, what you need to do is add your OFX file name without the extension as well as the password. Well, now what you can also do to import it is at the bottom and the right corner, you can choose or enter a different way. From here, you can just simply upload your W-2. So in here, I will just simply upload, and this will be the file from my device. And at the bottom and the right corner, click on Continue. And this is where you can start importing your W-2. So click on the drop docs here. That will open your files, and from there, add your W-2 form. And once it has been uploaded at the bottom, it will get the key information. And if you receive an error at the bottom in the right corner, you could just simply choose to type it yourself, and it will ask all of the information regarding your W-2. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.